Aircraft doors and emergency exits, an introductory guide. Welcome back, aviation enthusiasts. Today we are exploring doors and emergency exits on aircraft. Doors on aircraft come in various types: cabin entry doors, cargo bay doors, emergency exits, and equipment compartment access doors. Aircraft doors are made with aluminum structure members for strength. Latching and locking mechanisms are installed within the structure. Proximity sensors and wiring for door status are present. All doors have seals. Slide rafts are attached for emergency use. These slides are gas inflated and stored inside the door. There are two main types of doors: plug door types and non-plug door. Cabin entry and emergency exit doors are plug type. All Airbus and Boeing PAX main entry doors are plug type, which are slightly bigger than the cutout, so they move inward, lift upward, and then open. Cargo doors are non-plug type and open outward. Cargo doors secure with locking pins and latches with doors perimeter seals. Doors open from both sides and have indicators for closure. Cargo doors can be powered by electrical or hydraulic actuators. Warning systems use proximity switches to alert the flight deck if a door is not closed. They activate when the door is opened. Understanding these components ensures aircraft safety. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more aviation content.